Good morning, good afternoon. We're over in Rainhill. Just come to a job, thought we'll do another little video, let you have a look and see what we do. I've been and had a quick look at the property already, and they've got pets and things like that, so they're in good need of a good clean. So I thought we'll do a video for this one, show you how we're going to get them clean again. Yep, next part of the video will be us cleaning the car. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is just vacuum all the carpets off. Then we'll put some pre-spray down, doing up the stairs as well. Can't bother going up there, I'll get out of breath. Been up and down a few times already. So yeah, next video we'll show you, we'll be probably using the CRB over there, seeing what we can get from the bottom of the carpet and take it from there. Okay, this is the pre-spray I'm going to go for. This is one of our stronger ones. This one will go in the back of the rinse tank. So these two products, really good products. These will get this carpet looking like new again. Okay, so we're going to pre-spray the carpet in all the areas, do all upstairs. So we're going to do this all over the house, and then we'll get back to you with the next step of what we do. Okay, so we'll put the pre-spray in. That's going to work it all in using the CRB and the tile renovator. Get all the tile lifted again. See all the hairs that are starting to flick up from the bottom. See that? All coming from the bottom of the carpet. I'm going to do this all over the house now, and then we'll move on to the next step. We're rinsing everything out, getting rid of all the hair from the bottom, and we'll see you shortly. Okay, so this was a carpet that we vacked first, and just shuffle that out. This was what we got off. This is with the CRB machine after vacuuming. See all the hair. See all that has come out from the bottom of the carpet. So, yeah, I'm going to go upstairs now, do the upstairs, get all this hair from the bottom. Just goes to show you, when you use your vacuum, you don't get everything off. The machine that we have does. Okay, this was the last room that we CRB'd, and you can see all the hair that we've that we've took up from the bottom of this carpet. It just goes to show you when you're vacuuming, you never actually get all the hair out. That's all come from the bottom, the very fibres of the carpet. You can see that, well worthwhile. Okay, next video we're going to get all this hair off and then start rinsing all the nasties from the bottom, and then we'll show you when it's... There's one half of the carpet that we've done, this half we haven't. We're going to do this side now. You can watch us do this side. Clearly see that's the side we've done. Okay, so we're going to do this now on this carpet, just finish it off, and then we'll show you once it's done. We'll give you another look at it. See you shortly. Okay. They're done, dry. Okay, carpet all finished. Front room. Sorry, it's just for my my own video that I've done. All done nice.
Will you do us a favour with that though?
Go on. We'll empty one of the buckets now. Steve Murphy, this is for you. You've been looking forward to these, haven't you? So this is the carpets we've just done. Okay, there's going to be about 7 of these, but I'm only going to video the one. So... Okay, we're all done here now. Hope you enjoyed the watch. Get this video shared, give us a shout if you want to get us in. We'll see you soon. Bye.